I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble with payments not going through on Neteller, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Check your balance. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the isrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Verify payment details. Double check that all the payment details you entered are correct, including the recipient's email address and the amount. A simple typo can lead to a failed transaction. Step 3. Confirm account verification. Ensure your Neteller account is fully verified. If your account is not verified, transactions may be blocked. You can check this in your account settings. Step 4. Check for maintenance or outages. Visit the Neteller website or their social media pages to see if there are any ongoing maintenance issues or outages that could be affecting transactions. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Neteller's customer support for assistance. They can provide specific details about why your payment isn't going through. I hope these steps help you resolve your payment issues quickly. Don't hesitate to reach out if you need more assistance.